There are three primary theories of leadership that guide my thoughts and actions: servant leadership, transformational leadership, and a skills-based approach. A fourth would be situational leadership. However, before I discuss these theories, I want to emphasize one idea that is likely to help any organization, and that is to cultivate a culture of compassion. Try to give others the benefit of the doubt and seek to instill this approach in those in your organization. If someone disappoints you, there's a chance that person is dealing with a lot and you are just seeing and reacting to the surface. Ask if they're okay, forgive, seek to provide understanding and support. Keep in mind there's a great deal of suffering in the world, and you can be a source of comfort for that person. Servant leadership is the theory that resonates with me the most. I see nobility in service and helping to address the problems faced by individuals, organizations, communities, and people across the globe. My dad provided me with a great example. He was actively involved in helping numerous organizations. The one that was closest to his heart is the House of Mercy, a homeless shelter in Rochester, New York. He printed cards and posted them around the house, and he gave them out freely. They read, "Do all the good you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, for all the people you can, for as long as you can."
Do those being served grow as persons? Do they, while being served, become healthier, wiser, freer, more autonomous, more likely themselves to become servants? And what is the effect on the least privileged in society? Will that person benefit, or at least not be further deprived?
It is the idea that we are all leaders, and we are all here to serve. Regardless of your position or title, you are able to act, you are able to influence, and you are able to lead. Believing I can make a difference is empowering. It is ethics in the first person, taking responsibility for your actions and the organizations and communities you serve. Empowering, according to Nordhaus, allows followers the freedom to be independent, make decisions on their own, and be self-sufficient. It is a way for leaders to share power with followers by allowing them to have control. For the past 15 plus years, I've included in my syllabi a section titled Contribution to a Community of Learners. It says, in part, participating in this course has the potential to be a transformative experience for you, your classmates, and me. My expectation, and hopefully your expectation, is to learn and grow from this and every experience. In my early 20s, I became a licensed realtor. The former broker owner, Mel Vetusto, or Mr. Mel as I called him, noticed I was spending most of my time studying. He walked over to me, put his hand on my shoulder, and said, "Chris, you'll never know it all. Get out there and knock on some doors." And that's exactly what I did. Despite working another full-time job, I became a multi-million-dollar producer by my mid-20s. I learned that having a solid base of knowledge is essential, but you also have to take action. You have to get out there. According to Katz, leadership depends on three basic personal skills: technical, human, and conceptual. I believe in credentialing. I earned a doctoral degree at Cleveland State University, became a certified health education specialist, or MCHES, obtained certifications in management and international education. I've taught over 180 college courses and advised thousands of students. I have been in the trenches. Leaders who have the technical know-how, in addition to theory, are better able to lead. Human skill is the capacity to get along with others as you go about your work. For me, this includes inspiring students and colleagues, mentoring faculty, and having fun and a genuine interest in being a good citizen and positive influence. Understanding how the entire organization functions is essential. It's what DeHaze calls ecosystem thinking. It is important to understand people, who they are, and what they do and care about. Monmouth University provides students with a rigorous and immersive experience. Our health studies majors are going on to medical school and graduate programs in AT, PA, PT, OT, and SLP. They are becoming nurses, doctors, teachers, and administrators. Through a combination of their efforts and faculty, they become outstanding, caring professionals. As a faculty member, I have created courses that inspire students to make a difference in the lives of people and animals. Guatemala Public Health challenges students to think critically about how to best help in the developing world. Students have provided health education lessons to women and children in a domestic violence shelter, to community health care workers, toured hospitals, and provided beds and water filtration systems to financially impoverished families. Anthrozoology, Ethics, and Health involves the study of our relationships with non-human animals and includes service learning at the Monmouth County SPCA. Students learn about all the ways we impact animals and how to make a difference.